Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use sweep bus in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now go to select here Plane White. Now draw the line from origin. First of all, line the vertical and second line the horizontal. Now go to smart dimension and give the value this line dimension. This line dimension 100 and this line dimension 100. Now go to fillet tools. Now select here fillet. Now give the value 50. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here, select feature and sweep bus. Now here select circular. Now give the elbow pipe dia 80. Now I am going to use thin feature. Now here select 1. That direction change. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select satin finish plastic. Now just select here this. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.